At Star Collision Repair, we want everyone to know that we're still operating. We've taken some extra precautions to limit face-to-face interactions. If you need an estimate, you can get one for free by reaching out through our convenient virtual communication on our website. The first is Podium, found in the bottom right corner of our website. Simply enter your information and we'll text you right away. Then, you'll easily be able to text us pictures of your vehicle's issue for an estimate. The second way is through our contact form. You can enter your vehicle and contact information as well as upload a picture file. We can review the photo and then reach out to you with an estimate. At Star Collision Repair, we are here to help. Outstanding service creates outstanding results. Star Collision Repair. Contact us today.